This is John Alexander at the Faculty Resource Center talking you through use of the Lockdown browser. By the nature of the program, I cannot record the Lockdown browser use using screen capture software. I'm instead having to use a handheld camera, so I apologize in advance for the quality of the recording. First off, on this computer, I'm using Windows 10. You'll notice that I have already clicked on my Start button. Start button is uniform for all Windows computers. I have a Lockdown browser icon there that says desktop app, but I also have a Lockdown browser app on my desktop as well. Once again, because of the nature of the program, I cannot launch the Lockdown browser from this particular computer, but I will launch it from this computer. It will tell me that something is running if anything is running that I need to close. I will now log in to my Shelton using my settings. You, of course, will use your own. Once I log into my Shelton, I will click on Canvas. And now you see your dashboard. So that I can better show you what to expect in the Lockdown browser, I will log in as a test user. And as the test user, I will log in to take an exam. I will click on the course. And in this particular course, I will go to the quiz. Is the quiz. I will click on the quiz. And in this case, I had already taken the quiz, but I will take the quiz again. When I do, I now see terms of use for the Lockdown browser. I will click on agree. It is doing a webcam check. You will notice that it is showing me in the webcam. So I will click on yes. I will now have to record a 5-second video so that the camera knows that it is recording everything properly. So here we go with the 5-second video. And in the 5-second video, I will now see everything. Here we go with the 5-second video. And now I will click continue. At this point, the Lockdown browser will take a picture of you. The instructor can later use to compare to the student ID that you will show in the next step. I will now take a picture. Look at the camera and take the picture. In this case, the picture works, so I will click continue. Now, the Lockdown browser wants a picture of my student identification or some kind of identification. I will now show my identification and take a picture. Here is my identification, and I will take the picture. Environment check. At this point, you will need to move your webcam around to show everything that is on your desk or around you. So I will click start recording, and if I were taking an actual exam, I would show everything around, and then I would click stop recording. We do this so that we know that you have no contraband, no prohibited materials. I would show everything around, and then I would click stop recording. I click continue on the environment check. Additional instructions. Anything that your instructor needs you to know through this for this exam will be here. I'll click on continue, and now it says the exam will now begin. So when I click on begin exam, Respondus will now, the lockdown browser will now show me the quiz. I now go through and I take the quiz, and in this case I will not take all of the quiz. I will take only parts of the quiz, and then I will scroll down and submit so that you can see what happens. I say submit quiz, and I know that I haven't answered questions, but that's okay. It is a demo. Your webcam recording is complete, it says. It asks if you have anything to say about this. I will, in this case, click submit feedback. And now I can close the lockdown browser and go on as normal. Canvas, of course, will submit the quiz for me, and based on the settings that your instructor has set, will either grade the quiz automatically, or the instructor will grade the parts of the quiz that needs grading manually and post your grade. As always, please contact us. Start with your instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Your instructor can contact me if anything occurs that you cannot resolve. Once again, my name is John Alexander, and you will find me in room 2718 Martin, or atjalexander@sheltonstate.edu.